So guys, this is how it works. You can see the button here. So when you on it like this, hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you all guys for tuning in and happy new year. So guys, as you can see in today's vlog, I'm in my city room. I'll be tidying up my city room, so I just want to take you guys along with me. First of all, right now I'm in my bar. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is my bar. You can see any type of drinks, you can find it here. This is wine, which is champagne, and I have some vino, okay, which is Italian red wine. So I will be tidying up my city room. Then I just want to take you guys along with me. So in this place here, I put my pictures and my Dora pictures. You know, here are full of frames. You can see that is my lovely daughter. So I put some frame here. Then I have this machine. This one is for air fresher. You put the air fresher inside it. Then you put battery. It's like, you know, this one doesn't use electricity. Just fix it inside. Then under 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how you set it, everywhere will be looking so sweet. Okay, so these are my bar here. Then inside here I have some coffee cups. So you can see it, all these ones are still new. I just arranged them inside here. Okay, so I have a lot of it. Whenever I want to drink coffee, I just pick any one of my choice. You can see it here. So I have a lot of it. While this one is for tea. Okay, so as for breakfast, you can see it here, colazione bianco e nero. So guys, let's dash into the video. Okay, let's get it started. So guys, I have my sweeping machine here. You can see it. So I'll be using this one to sweep the rug. Okay, let me just tidy up everywhere. You can see everywhere is so messed up. Okay, because of the kids yesterday, you know, they were just having fun and everything. So let's get started. This is what I was trying to do. This one is like a blanket. We use it to cover. You can see it. So this one is Christmas on. I bought this one for Christmas. You can see it. They wrote Christmas on it. So it's like a blanket to cover your legs whenever you are sitting down in the sitting room. So sometimes I just feel like, you know, switching the heater off. Then we use this one to cover ourselves in the sitting room. So everyone have their own. This one is my own, and this is my daughter's own, and be my son's own. So there are still some other ones inside the cupboard. Okay, so I just decided to show you guys like this. So guys, this is how it works. Okay, now let me on it. I on it like this. Then use it Okay guys, I just finished everything. You can see my sitting room is looking well tidy. So you can see the center table. This is the remote control for the television. And look at the television, everywhere is looking so bright. So the kids, they went out. Then I said, okay, let me dedicate this time to arrange everywhere. That is my small ring light there. You can see. So I have this flower here. This one is real flower, not rubber. Okay, this one is real. Okay, I normally put water every three days. So I love this flower. This flower is very good. Okay, some Italian people, they have it in their house. So I just put this one here. You can see everywhere is looking so beautiful, tidy. Okay, so this is how my sitting room actually looks right now. I just hope I did a good job. You can see the rug is looking so sparkling, beautiful. You can see it. Okay, so now I want to show you the air freshener that I showed before. Okay, how it works. Okay guys, this is the air freshener machine. Okay, this is how it looks. So I have one inside, you see. So you just need to fix it inside here. You have a minute here. Okay, you have minutes here. I don't actually know why the light is doing like this, so just manage it with me guys. So when you cover it, you set it how many minutes you want it to, you know, to be spraying out. So I have another one here. Now I just finished tidying up. Look at the air freshener. You just spray it on your sitting room. Everywhere will be looking so nice. The odor and everywhere. You can see it guys. So this is how my sitting room looks like. You can see it. You have enough space. Spray it like this, then you cover it. I normally buy them at the supermarket. It's so nice guys. Okay, so guys, as I was saying, when they were here, you know, they scattered everything. So I just wait for them to go out before I started arranging everywhere. So I hope I've done a good job. That is it, my people. Thank you all so much for watching. You can see everywhere is looking so beautiful. So I have this this one is X-Boss. You know, my son always play X-Boss. I don't know. So after he left, I decided to just arrange everything guys. So this is my Christmas tree. I still have this one here. My Christmas tree is still here. You can see I just plugged the lights. Everything is here. So thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Okay, so till I come your way again next time, bye.